Let's be honest for a second. Most of the make money with AI videos you see online are either scams or they assume you have a bunch of cash sitting around to invest. But what if you ask, no budget, no fancy paid software, just a laptop or a phone and some Wi-Fi connection? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I would do if I had to start from scratch in 2025. These are real AI tools and side hustles you can use right now, even if you are completely broke. And here's the best part. I am not just going to list random apps like everyone else. I'm going to show you how to actually use these tools to start making real money. So let's jump right in. Why? Because affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn online when you have no product to sell. These AI tools are perfect for generating content that looks professional and sounds like a real person wrote it. For the website itself, I'd use a tool like Durable. A lot of people say, but I have no skills. Well, the truth is, AI can actually cover that for you in 2025 KO, because it lets you build a website super quickly. And the best part, it's free to get started. You can design logos and graphics with Midjourney or Leonardo AI. But here's a smarter strategy. Reach out to local businesses on Instagram and offer them AI-powered content packages. This could be videos, social media posts, logos, or even voiceovers for their ads. But it does not stop. There you can also add affiliate links in the video, descriptions, or get sponsorship deals. Once your channel grows, if you are comfortable with voiceovers, Van Labs and Plate let you create professional audio in different accents and tones. For the voiceovers, Van Labs has natural-sounding AI voices that sound just like real nerds. Tools like 3 Commas let you set smart trading strategies. And if you're not ready to trade on your own, Byte Copy Trading allows you to follow expert traders with AI-generated alerts. Once you're comfortable, start small. Maybe just $10 or $20. Remember, this is not gambling. Think of AI trading bots like a digital assistant helping you with strategy, not a jackpot machine. ChatGPT would handle the scripts. And for video clips, you can grab free footage from sites like Pixabay or Peck. This is where AI really shines because you can create something once and sell it over and over again. As you get better and build some portfolio work, raise your rates gradually. This is one of the fastest opportunities in 2025. You do not need to show your face or even use your real voice. AI handles almost everything. Use Canva to design templates, planners, or printable journals. And the best part, most of them are free or very cheap to start. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy let you upload these products and sell them directly to customers worldwide. You do not need inventory. You do not need shipping. And once it is set up, you can earn while you sleep. The key is to get started, build confidence, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. You can also create social media content with Canva AI or tools like and share this video with a friend who is tired of being broke and wants to learn how to make smarter money online. For graphics, thumbnails, and social media posts, Canva's AI tools work perfectly. These kinds of videos are always in demand, and they work perfectly for faceless content. You do not need to create anything. You do not need to handle shipping, and you do not need to deal with customer service. All you have to do is recommend products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. If I had no money, the first thing I'd do is build an AI-powered affiliate website. But let me be real with you, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading can be risky if you do not know what you are doing. That said, with the right setup, AI bots can help you make small, automated trades in crypto or stocks while you sleep. To start, I'd use ChatGPT or Gemini AI to write product reviews and blog posts. Use AI to write comparison articles or product roundups. Then sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or post your affiliate links in the blogs you write. After that, share your website link on places like Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups where people are already searching for recommendations. And here's a bonus. You can even use AI to create Pinterest pins to drive more traffic to your site for free. The process is simple. Pick a niche you actually like, maybe tech, fitness, or home gadgets. Now, let's say you do not want to run a website. That's fine, you can start freelancing with AI tools instead. You can offer services like copywriting using ChatGPT or Jasper. Where do you find clients? Start with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. When you're just starting, keep your prices low to attract your first clients. Another method I'd definitely use is starting a faceless YouTube channel. I'd use Pictorio and Video AI to create and edit the videos automatically. Once the videos are up, you start earning from YouTube ads. Start with simple topics like top 10 tech gadgets, best budget laptops, or AI tools for students. Now let's talk about something a lot of people are curious about: AI trading bots. Platforms like OKX offer crypto grid trading bots that buy and sell automatically based on the market. Start with paper trading first. That means you practice without using real money. ChatGPT to write ebooks, guides, or AI prompt packs. So, to wrap this up, if I had to start from zero in 2025, these are exactly the AI tools and side hustles I would use. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to Byte to Bank. I'm dropping over 300 videos this year all about using AI to build income streams. So make sure you stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.